Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the notebook. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the notebook. Before you begin, remove the battery, service cover, keyboard, and top cover. Removal. Using minimal force, lift the locking bar up on the eMMC board ZIF connector and disconnect the eMMC board ribbon cable from the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable. Remove the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the eMMC board to the base enclosure. Lift the eMMC board off of the alignment pins on the base enclosure and remove. Place the eMMC board in a static-dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the eMMC board from the static-dissipative bag. Place the eMMC board onto the alignment pins on the base enclosure. Replace the two 3mm P1 Phillips-head screws that secure the eMMC board to the base enclosure. Insert the eMMC board ribbon cable into the eMMC board ZIF connector on the system board and press the locking bar down to lock the cable into place. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the ZIF connector and ribbon cable.